Welcome to CrossGems. In this video, we are going to show you how to model a ring and get several versions of the same model. The first thing we are going to do is create an outside ring rail, and we are going to select a suitable size. In this case, 3.8 top, 3.3 side, and 2.4 bottom. From this drop-down, we can modify the profiles. We confirm. Now we are going to create a profile placer, and we are going to select our two rails, the inside and the outside. We will modify the width to 3.3. You can open the drop-down profile to see the list of profiles. We will move the position on the rail to 0.2. Now we will duplicate the profile using the mirror tool and select the diagonal mirror. We are going to create the body of the ring, so we select the auto sweep tool. We select the inner rail and select the profiles. In options, we will select sweep to. This allows us to select the second rail, creating the desired shape. As we can see, we can edit the outside ring rail and change the profile to have a different styles of our ring. We cancel and move on to create gems and curve. We select the outside ring rail. As an object, we will select the auto sweep. Now we can modify the distance between the start point and the end point. We'll leave it at 0.8 and 0.4 respectively. We are going to modify the gem size to 1.8 mm. Now we'll go to the gem options, and as gem placement we will select table. So confirm. Go to the gem settings and select prongs row. Select the gems. Change the display mode to wireframe. It allows us to see the prongs inside the ring. We will modify the depth. In this case, 2.3. And reduce the prong taper to 0.1. Then confirm. It's time for the cuts. Select the channel cutter and select the gems. Now we will modify the height to 1.5. Confirm. Now we go to the drop-down of the channel cutter. Here we have several options. Select duplicate, and now we are going to modify the new channel cutter. We modify the move vertical to -1.3. Now we can return to the CrossGems display mode or shaded. We will extend the lateral distance until it protrudes from the ring 1.6. Change the profile to the third and modify the height to 0.9 mm. Once here, we will empty the channel cutter using the Boolean difference command. As object A, we'll select the auto sweep, and as object B, we'll select the channel cutters. We can confirm, and we have our finished model. Of course, we can modify the materials in the ground to have a render. From this design, we could simply modify the profiles of the outside link rail to obtain different shapes of our model, keeping the cuts and the gems. We can also modify the profiles used by AutoSweep to modify the ring edge. Thanks for watching, and if you find this useful, don't forget to subscribe. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook and other social networks. See you in the next chapter.